Hello and welcome to another devlog of ChaosTrainer. So as you guys can see, I got new skin going on here. It's highly recommended. I think I posted a link to it, but definitely something I can show you guys. But you guys can see the new user interface looks much more like an actual game now. Still some things that need work. But you can see the footer bar down here is working, and yep, these bot species, whoa, controllers are still looking, or this is it shows the bot as it's going. I've got these little mini cams I wired in as well, so if I slow it down to a normal speed here, this guy's, you can see he's got the time here, and you can see the generation. So these guys spawned 101 out of 100, which I'm not going to worry about right now. His health is at 100%, but he looks like he's about to touch lava there, and yep, he's dead. So that's kind of cool. That guy's not going that fast. So still a lot more left to do. Try and get you guys the neural net view and one that doesn't immediately kill itself. So this is the neural net view now. So you can see he's got two of them here, and you guys can do a little debugging here. Enabled true, yeah. So you can see all sorts of stuff there if you're interested, and then you can see bias input, and it's overlaid over his real body in real time. So this is another in-game camera here. He's just bouncing around the spawn area until he ran out. And if I can find another one, you can see that light blue is a negative value, and the bright red is a positive value. And they just switched negative, so that means his eye can't see it anymore. But you can actually see the neurons firing in real time, so that's kind of cool. And if I just run this quickly, we've got some of your basic stuff here. We've got species lists, and it tells you, this is actually interesting. There should be more species here. I'll have to look into that. But they're optimizing, so he's got 10 turns to optimize, and then 25 turns he has to hit a new high score every 25 turns, the species specifically. Otherwise it gets killed off. So these guys are doing pretty good, so they're going to probably be pretty high up in the species thing. So let's go ahead and look at the stats. See, this has got all the actual species here. And the stats keep up to date in real time. Now what I don't have, what I was struggling with before, is actually getting the numbers there, but you can see the max score is starting to go up a little bit, up and back down. The lowest score down here is starting to go up a bit, and the median and the mean are just kind of floating around the middle. So this isn't optimized. This is like meant for testing. This isn't optimized for like training right now. I've been doing a lot of UI stuff, but you can see here we can watch. I gotta fix that. We could watch the bot scores go on. So no, it regresses back to like the global at the end of each generation. So if I click here, it'll show me that. But we're going so fast in the generations right now. I'm actually kind of impressed how fast we're going, because this is kind of crazy. I had a memory issue. I haven't fixed this debug screen yet, but I had a memory issue where there were like 3.5 million genome holders by generation 100. And as you can see, they're down to like between 0 and 31 because they spike up whenever they need to do breeding and stuff. But yeah, I didn't remove that, so it really slowed it down. But we're getting better with that stuff, and we're starting to track performance statistics. So yeah, we're getting ready for production here. Sorry, we're getting ready to launch hopefully a. That's annoying. What is that? Close. Okay, that's good. Train. Little maze. We'll challenge. And we'll challenge that one versus, there should actually be, there we go, this one. That one's one I just trained up, and it should have more precision than the other ones because it has down, most of the other ones, neurons were only down to the 10th of a It's between -1 and 1 rounded to the 10th, and this is down to -1 to 1 rounded to the 100th. So I need to make that. Look at those guys go. So this is what they look like after they've been trained for many generations. So this guy's only a generation 68. So that's actually pretty cool, and that's what the other neural pathways look like higher up. You can actually see it kind of follow. I should make it so it continually follows this guy even after he dies, but I've optimized for training mode, not for challenge mode yet, but we're getting there. Yeah, so he's running around. See, they're not quite perfect yet. But what I'm going to do is give them the ability to evolve their eye placement as well, because I think that's part of it, is they'll back into lava, or else they'll just nick a corner of it when their eyes are past it. So this guy's definitely doing some exploring here. Yep, right in the lava. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing an alpha build of this, because challenge mode is working, though its screen it's not the prettiest yet. I haven't quite fixed this all up, but we're getting there. So I'm about to kick off a long training session. I think I'll stream it, and we'll just well, actually I can't, because I'll be still working on this thing for another hour and a half. So but progress. So hopefully soon we'll have the ChaosTrainer Kickstarter going, hopefully in time for Thanksgiving here in the States. That's the end of November, and I'll run it through December, so gear up. I'd love to get you guys feedback on this thing. If anybody's interested in contributing or helping in any way, I'd love to connect with you. Thank you guys, all the guys and girls. If there's many girls, I actually don't know what a lot of people's genders are on here, but Discord. Thank all you guys for hopping on here. It's a lot of conversation going on there. Thank you guys on Twitter that have been sharing the word and stuff. Thank you guys on YouTube for viewing and sharing and stuff. A lot of cool stuff going on here. So yeah, thank you guys. Oh, and hopefully this will be accompanied by the the beginning of what I think I'm actually going to outsource to somebody that knows how to do better graphics for video of our ChaosTrainer and schematical intro and outro that feature AI. Go, man, go, go, go. No! Alright, there we go. I made it. Hit the top. Sweet. So that is his neural net. That looks so much better than before. It's so much better. And again, I didn't write any of these. These guys aren't programmed to do anything. They're trained. Completely trained. So, and you guys will be able to train your own AIs as well. So that's coming soon. Help me out by participating in the Kickstarter, sharing the word, and help me on Patreon. All that stuff is much appreciated. All right, thanks. Hopping off. Take care again. This was Matt with Schematical. Bye.